Hi, I'm Mike, and this is a Forsaken Trails product review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the GSI Perc3. This is a 3-cup coffee percolator. You know, it seems the older I get, the more I love that first cup of coffee in the morning. Usually I just drink instant, but I always prefer fresh brewed. So when I saw this in the store, I was anxious to give it a try. The GSI is all stainless steel construction, weighs about 11 ounces, and as I mentioned, it holds 3 cups. It has a nice wooden handle to keep you from burning yourself. You know, I've never used a percolator before. I remember my dad had one, and I saw him using it as a kid. I was too young to drink coffee at that time, but it seems pretty simple. You got the basket inside, throw the grounds in, put some water in, and heat. What do you say? Let's give it a try. Already got 3 cups of water in there, so I'll go ahead and put that on the stove. We'll bring the heat up to high. We need to boil this water. Next, I'll add 3 tablespoons of coffee to our percolator basket. Okay, put that cover on, we'll drop it down in. Now that it's perking, we just want to turn the stove all the way down to simmer. We want to see about 1 perk every 2 seconds. And depending on how you like your coffee, if you like it light, you can let it simmer for 6 minutes. Medium is about 15 minutes, and strong is 30 minutes. I like mine medium. Okay, well, we've been steadily percolating for about 15 minutes. Let's give it a try. Looks dark enough. Not bad. That's the GSI Perc3. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach me at Mike@forsakentrails.com. Thanks for watching.